Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing your HP laptop so speech can work reliably. First, make sure Windows 10 or 11 is updated, because newer builds include improved voices and fixes. Once done, connect and select your audio output so you can hear tests. Now press the Windows key, type settings, then go to ease of access, right arrow narrator or time, and language right arrow speech to reach text-to-speech options. This begins the actionable setup for voices and control. You now pick a voice and configure how it speaks, because clarity and speed matter for comprehension. In speech settings, choose a voice from the list and use preview voice to confirm tone. Then adjust speed and pitch, faster for scanning text, slower for heavy reading, so it fits your workflow. Make sure to add extra voices through Manage Voices if you need accents or different genders. Also set preferred audio output and volume, then save or apply those choices before testing. Finish by testing and adding shortcuts so you can start speech quickly. Try Preview Voice plus a real document. Use Edge Read Aloud or Office Read Aloud to confirm natural reading. Enable Narrator with Control plus Win plus Enter for system narration, and make any keyboard shortcut tweaks so you can toggle speech fast. If speech fails, check audio output, update the HP audio driver, and run Windows Troubleshooter. These steps resolve most issues, but also reboot if settings don't apply.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.